yo. What is up, guys? Jamaicans came here with another reaction. Ooh. Hi. And today, guys, we're here with Teejay. A reply. Or this song. I don't know if it's a reply or this song, but it's something aimed towards Byron, sorry. Teejay Unwanted. Teejay Unwanted. Before that, make a break down the cover art. Cause you don't know, sir, we are all about the war and there's hidden messages in these things. So let's go. So we see Teejay Unwanted, but we see a child. See? We see a child in the car. Look on the nose. Look on the nose. The person will build this on a fuckery. The person will make the cover out on a fuckery. On if you stop a fuckery. On if you stop a fuckery. We see the afro. We see the eyes. We see the nose. Let me see what the tag say. Nationality unwanted. Then by now we see Byron forward out and say, yo, him born at Jamaica and him leave Jamaica them a couple months old and go send kids go reside, go live. We also see some binds beside the cat, in the cat. So we are gonna kill the baby, my G. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's go.
UTC me say UTC to the wall. Yeah. Byron and the Byron never kill nobody, dog. Byron them never bust gun, brother.
So that is somebody I'm assuming is from St. Kitts. So I must say UTC to the world, up top camp to the world. Byron them a do. Byron them never kill nobody, brother. Him say Byron a virgin trigger finger. Byron not do no crime. Byron not bust nothing. That's why the G say from St. Kitts. I'm assuming it's from St. Kitts, pertaining to the accent. Let's go.
Yo, my dad. Lift up a rifle and give me. Me bad for real, somebody tell the kid me be bullet him. Hey, grenade inna me hand panizi, me be pull it pin.
Me bad for real, tell the kids say me will bullet him. Don't ram. The man I say, yo, you're a baby, Byron. The man say, yo, he will bully you. He will bully you and bully you, brother. That's how the G said to you. Yo.
Hey, grenade inna me hand panizi, me be pull it pin. When them in a car and listen little Kim, we can make big boy broke out for little things.
When them in a car and listen to little Kim, them up top camp and make war broke out for little things. Somebody tell us the little and nothing. The little and nothing we start war for, brother. Cause we are war boat, we are worried. That's how the G said. Not me.
When them in a car and listen little Kim, we can make big boy broke out for little things. Them know we wanted. Hey, we got approach him. In a head when me make the Glock open.
Approach him in a head when we make the Glock open. Just like that.
Approach him. In a head when me make the Glock open. Boy see the camp and catch cold skin. Chop off picket and put it in a oven. A laugh in a talk in a joke.
Chop off picket and put it in an oven. So him a call Byron pig. Him been a call Byron pig. We see him go live and say oink, 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 oink. The war is on, bro.
Chop off picket and put it in a oven. A laugh in a talk in a joke. In me shoot up the bar and the shot you roll with. Act like say me make him mad at this one him. Better me use the rust chain and choke him.
Act like a you make him act like a me make him mad at this one him. Better say me use him rust chain and choke him. So because Byron born at Jamaica and was taken to St. Kitts by a different lady now, he has said his mother never want him. His mother disown him. That hot.
Act like say me make him mad at this one him. Better me use the rust chain and choke him. One bag of killers and ganja smoking. Clip a load up, figure do the patrolling. Black full of murder, a killer no boring. Me a killer no know me now, make no grow big.
Man say me a killer no know. Me a killing no from no, me nah make no grow big. Uno nah get big and come pose a threat to me. Me a killing no from uno a baby, from uno in a stroller, from uno in a pram. Me a killing no from uno in a nappy.
Black full of murder, a killer no boring. Me a killer no know me now, make no grow big. We do badness, no close friend posting. Bad for which part, oh me no know him. Here say a Prince Cranny did a coach him. Bought him a wrap up head, give him a nose ring. No.
The man's bringing Prince Swanee in at the... He bringing Prince Swanee in at the war now.
Big, we do badness, no close friend posting. Bad for which part, oh me no know him. Big, we do badness, no close friend posting.
No close friend posting. So, the... TJ and Sunface Suck Your Mother was posted as a close friend and that got leaked out. So that's where him address you, so. That is what he's addressing right here.
Bad for which part, oh me no know him. Here say a Prince Cranny did a coach him.
Bad from which part? Brother, nobody no know you. We don't know you, brother. We don't know you. You're not bad from nowhere. Remember say a Prince Swanee. Did a coach, you know? But TJ never said Prince Swanee. TJ said Prince Cranny. Remember say a Prince Swanee did a coach him?
Bad for which part, oh me no know him. Here say a Prince Cranny did a coach him. Bought him a wrap up head, give him a nose ring. You no fuck around because of people wicked. You no fuck around because you're easy to kill.
You no fuck around because of people we kill. You no fuck around because you're easy to kill. So he must say, Byron, you're big and halfway to can't run me. You're easy for, brother, your target easy, brother. Oversized, your target easy, gunshot. Pow! That's what the G say. TJ nah kill out himself on that one, yeah? That one is smooth. So I think he's taking the same smoothness as Byron did in the last one. That is what I'm getting from this.
You no fuck around because you're easy faking. Me dog them down. Them done. Pussy them know say me crazy. No say me insane. Rifle I kick like Bailey. And I report your brain.
Pussy them know say me crazy. Them know say me insane. Rifle I kick like Bailey. Liam Bailey my talk. Big up Liam Bailey the baller.
Rifle I kick like Bailey. And I report your brain. Can't tell me you a Taliban. Me so sanction no play.
You can't tell me you're not Taliban, brother. You can't tell me you're not Taliban, bro.
Can't tell me you a Taliban. Me so sanction no play. Yeah. Can't shoot at me, can't run at me in a that.
Ooh, aggressive. Aggressive. I like it. I like this. Me think he may not run the whole song on a smooth level there, but second verse him now. Let's go.
Yeah.
Take a deep breath.
Can't shoot at me, can't run at me in a that. Remember you come and yard, come drift and crash.
He did. Pussy clad. Ha! Me never remember that, you know. Me never remember say Byron got Jamaica go crash with you. Me never remember that. TJ say you can't shoot up me car. Pussy and I mean that. Decoy that. We have too much vehicle. You cannot catch me in that, bro. And I mean that you can't shoot up no car for me. Remember say no. Byron say shoot up a car when the pussy them a drift. The man say yo you can't shoot up my car. I don't mean that. Remember say you come a yard where you come crash. Remember say yo. The street is not for everybody. Them have sidewalks. That is what TJ saying. Not me.
Can't shoot at me, can't run at me in a that. Remember you come and yard, come drift and crash. Maybe lift up one tall broomstick and watch. Matter of fact, Tony Pan, him and Mac.
All right. Let's talk about that part here.
Maybe lift up one tall broomstick and watch. Matter of fact, Tony Pan, him and Mac.
Me lift up one tall broomstick and watch. Matter of fact, turn it on him and Mac. You don't know who Mac is already. If you don't know who Mac is, let me enlighten you who Mac is. Mac is the producer who him and Teejay was going back and forth with the song GIF. See me? So Mac and Teejay fall out. If you don't know that story there, go and do it. So a DJ Mac him mean right here, so you know. And me know said that line there I go probably go over enough people head, you know. Me know that. So I'm here. The man say, me go turn it on you and Mac, on DJ Mac. DJ Mac, basically, we see Teejay go live and say, as a man from Jamaica, yeah, follow, and I put emoji, rare, blah, blah, blah. So, I think immature little subs them from them time there. So we know say Teejay and couple man no good. Mac is one of them. So I think he's talking about Mac in the live. Let's go.
Maybe lift up one tall broomstick and watch matter of fact. Tony pan him and Mac. Yeah, the pussy them a waste man, piss and trash. Shot in your face, what kind of kick and box?
The pussy them a waste man, piss and trash, dirt, gong, move.
Yeah, the pussy them a waste man, piss and trash. Shot in your face, what kind of kick and box?
Trigger finger, trigger play the man I say yo. Trigger play the man I say yo, bro. What can I kick and back to the pan? Eh? What can I kick and back to the pan? I think a sportsman play? You think a boxing this? Gunshot, fatality, brutality, finish him. That's what the boss said, not me.
Me we chop off your ass head with one last. Send kids a ball, I say you till and that. And I use say your friend on fish and sprat. Me no understand, could do vision that.
I use your friend turn fish. When did him say that? Can somebody in the comment section let me know what Teejay is talking about here? Cause Teejay say Byron say him friend, Byron friend turn fish and sprat. What one? Me don't know what one.
Me we chop off your ass head with one last. Send kids a ball, I say you till and that. And I use say your friend turn fish and sprat. Me no understand, could do vision that. Say you make man moan like girl in a song. Hey boy Byron, you a key man.
Say make man moan. Which song him say that? Me know say it's probably facts, but which song him say it in a cause I don't listen to a lot of Byron songs. I'm not gonna cap. I don't listen to a lot of Byron songs. So me don't know which song him attack. Byron, you make man moan. You know?
Say you make man moan like girl in a song. Hey boy Byron, you a key man. Every
where you shit about the fa? Say you make man moan in a song. Hey boy Byron, Yagi man shh. Song. Where song rhyme with? Where song? Song.
girl love chippy down a tree. Like girl in a song. Hey boy Byron, you a key man. Every girl love chippy down a Trinidad. And a real chat that make you 6 pants clap. And no feel say me answer your cause you was somebody me G will a come from me and back.
Man, I say, yo, every girl love me from Trinidad. Every girl love me. I'm the ladies, man. I'm the up top boss. That's what the G say. And nobody feels me answer you because you're somebody. You are a nobody. You are a nobody. That's what the G say. Not me. Me shouldn't even, yo, the only reason why as a matter of fact.
And no feel say me answer your cause you was somebody me G will a come from me and back.
Well, I come from me and back. You know them koof there? Koof. Yeah, them koof there, that you get the man say, what a kong, brother. That's, yo.
And no feel say me answer your cause you was somebody me G will a come from me and back. No fuck around because of people we kill. You no fuck around because you're easy to kill.
Man say, yo, no fuck around because you're easy to kill. Man say, yo, member say you're big. Member say you're big bout ya. Member say the target nah miss. Member say, yo, you're hard to miss. Yeah, remember that you're easy to kill, brother.
You no fuck around because you're easy to kill. Me dog them dog. Them dons.
War! Guys, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, yo. Remember, say, let me know what you think about that one in the comment section because right now, the war on. So, you know, if you let me know what you think in the comment section because right now, me I tell you, say, me no know what you think, me no know what you do. Me just they have vibe. The cover art, I fuck creative TJ. The person who dropped the cover art, I fuck you no do, but all is fear in love and war. All is fear in love and war. Just like how TJ, just like how Byron say, period blood and them thing there. All is fear in love and war. Yo. I'm not saying much. You guys in the comment section, let me know what you think. I am waiting. I'm now await Byron. Guys, also you can join in on the discussion. So after Byron drop a song, we are gonna have round 2 of the podcast. The Real Reason It podcast is gonna be on this channel to talk about round 2. We spoke about round 1 last night. We need to speak about round 2. So Byron, hurry up and drop so we can drop your song, Byron, so we can discuss round 2 where you guys can forward in and say what I say and give a take, and yeah. We are keep it mutual. I'm leaving you guys to talk. TJ up top boss, big up yourself. Byron, big up yourself for the entertainment. Respect. You see me? This time I'm gonna leave down a still. If you enjoy the one I want to see more, leave a like on the blood clot stream. Not like the stream it, like it now. Yeah. Leave a like on the stream, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Peace.